Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Beautifullove4ever, aka Tay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I already did my eyebrows just because they're a little time consuming. And now I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Juvia's Place Concealer in 16 and set it with the AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach. Next, I'm using the Zulu eyeshadow palette by Juvia's Place. I'm just going to take that brown shade and put that on my crease. Also, I'm really trying to grow my channel, so if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Now I'm taking the yellow shade as well as the orange shade and putting those colors on my lids. Next, I'm using the Girlactik Precise Eyeliner Marker. Now I'm using my House of Lashes eyelash glue and my Ioni XL Wispy Dramatic Lashes. Now to make sure there's no gap showing while I put my eyelashes, I'm using my Sephora eye pencil and also my Essence waterproof mascara. Moving on to the face, I'm using the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose From Above Mineral Sunscreen. using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. To correct the dark spots in my face and neck, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. For foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 425. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm just putting this in the same places where I put the orange corrector. To highlight, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in Medium Dark Warm. I'm just putting this all the places where the light would naturally hit my face. Next, I'm using Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in the dark. I'm going to take the top shaded contour of my nose and go around my jawline, and I'm going to use the other shade to bronze the other parts of my face. Now I'm using the ABX setting powder in Deep Peach again to set where I had that concealer at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. Next, I'm using Juvia's Place, the Saharian Blush Volume 1 palette. I'm going to take that orange shade for my blush, and I'm going to use the other shade for my highlight. For lips, I'm using the Maven Beauty lipstick in Maven Orange, and I'm using the Juvia's Place lip liner in Brownie. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this sunflower inspired makeup look that I did. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as all my social media handles. If there's any makeup looks that you want to see, please let me know and I definitely will do them. Also, please like, comment, and share. I would love to hear from you all. And I will see you all on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.